Alright, plan to fly tomorrow, and one of my flights I'm planning to do is fly my rocket here. It's called Delirium Tremens. It has ability to fly 5 29mm motors. I'm going to fly it with 3 motors. And the plan is to try to light 2 motors using these 2 Cicerone reloadable motors there, and then air start this motor, which is Aerotech G53-FJ, so the one with a lot of smoky black smoke. So hopefully, if that works, that'll be a nice show. So let's. I'm going to just show you the quick assembly of this reloadable motor. It's a 29mm 40 to 120 reload. And so let's get this parts out, put this together. So we have casing with 1 grain already in there, and then this looks like this must be the second grain. Ejection charge, nozzle, and the delay grain case, insulator, spacer, that's the case for that, and our O-rings. So again, we'll put a little bit of grease around the O-rings to start. Just a little shine. Let's see how well this is going to fit. I've sometimes had trouble getting these to fit. It looks like that should fit okay. Sometimes it's a little tight and you have to try to sand it down to get it to fit. But that looks like that will fit inside the casing okay. So let's put the delay together, front delay again. First I'm going to put a little bit of grease inside there. And then a little bit on the threads. There's already quite a bit of residue in there from previous launches. Then we'll put a little piece of tape on here to hold the 2 grains together. side. Casing equal. Doesn't look too bad. Alright, we'll put seal in and an O-ring and the front section, moving our delay. O-ring goes in the rear, aft, our nozzle in, and we'll grease around the threads. Alright, and that should be ready to fly, hopefully tomorrow, and we'll see how that works out. And hopefully that'll be the next part of the video.
Come on, there it goes. Alright, it seemed like it took a little extra time, but it flew. Awesome.
Recovery looks pretty good. Everything looks like it's together. Let's see if we can count the elevation, altitude. Waiting for the beeps. Six, 2, 628. Alright, well, I'm happy it worked. Seems like the air start was longer than I had anticipated, but we saw it, so that's pretty cool. Alright. Nice day out here. A little bit of cloud cover to keep it cool.